Hello students, in this tutorial we will learn about IR sensor and a simple circuit by using this IR sensor. First of all, let us understand what is IR sensor. IR sensor is a type of sensor which senses through two infrared radiations. Infrared radiation can be emitted by any object which is having temperature more than 5 degree Kelvin. So we can say almost every object surrounding to us emits some infrared radiation, especially human body. Let's understand on which principle it works and about the components it is having. It is having two LEDs at the top, one is black and one is white. This black LED is basically IR receiver and this is a IR transmitter. IR transmitter transmits the rays and IR receiver collects back the rays. This potentiometer is used to adjust the sensitivity, or you can say adjust the distance of obstacle. This LED is a power indicator LED. This will respond to the infrared radiation. These are the pins which is used as output VCC and ground pins. This is the resistor used inside it, and this is the LM358 IC. Now let's see how it works. We'll take the jumper cables and insert in these pins. I'm going to connect the output with the white, VCC with the yellow, and obviously ground with the black colored wires. Now let's insert these three wires in the breadboard. Okay, now let's give power connections to this. As yellow is VCC, so I have to give positive supply to the yellow one. And attach this black with the negative of your breadboard. Take the negative terminal from here and put it on the negative terminal of your IR sensor. Now you have to see you are having an output LED in the given IR sensor. Now let's check how we can connect an output LED to it also. We are having a white as an output wire. We are going to connect white and black. This ground with the common ground. Now see, this LED is also glowing. As soon as my hand is coming near to it, my LED is blinking. Okay. Now this is the distance through which it can measure. Now let's adjust the distance. Now let's see its sensitivity is decreased. Now in the clockwise direction, you can see it is becoming highly sensitive. My hand is far away and it is glowing. Okay, so this is how we can adjust the sensitivity, or you can say distance of the obstacle it is sensing. This is how our IR sensor collects the signal and gives the output to the any of the circuit. I hope you understood the concept of IR sensor in this video. We'll meet in the next video soon. Bye bye.